Well, hello! Welcome back to another Workbench tutorial. In other videos, we learned what the production tool is and how to create a production script. In this session, we'll talk about production jobs and how easy it is to create and schedule one. Scheduling a production job is a great way to ensure that your users get the information they need and that it's always up to date. Now it's time for Alyssa Mintz from our education department. Alyssa, take it away.
In this demonstration, you'll learn how to create and schedule a production job to run a production script. You can schedule a production job to run a production script once only or at regular intervals. Let's say we have a production script that updates two cBases in a carefully managed process. First, the script creates the updated cBases in the staging folder. Second, the script deletes the outdated cBases in the cBases folder. And finally, the script moves the two updated cBases from the staging folder into the cBases folder. To make sure the two cBases are kept up to date over time, we'll create a production job that runs the production script every weekday at 11 p.m. We'll start by navigating to the production script and double-clicking the file name. The production script opens in the Task Flow panel in a new tab. Below the Task Flow panel is the Overview pane, which shows you information about your current connection and the name and location of the script. The Overview pane also includes an area in which the names of your schedules are displayed. We haven't created any schedules yet, so this area is blank. We'll begin creating a schedule by clicking Add. The Production Job Schedule dialog box appears on the screen. At the top of the dialog box, we can specify a name for our schedule. By default, Workbench uses the name of the production script and adds the prefix main. We'll accept this name for now. We want to run our production script every day of the week except for Saturday and Sunday, so under Schedule, we'll select Weekly. Next to every week on the following days, we'll check every day except Saturday and Sunday. Next to At, we'll specify 11 p.m. in military time. Now we'll specify the day to start running our production job. We'll leave Running Until set to indefinitely and click OK to finish creating our schedule. The schedule we just created appears in the Schedules area in the Overview pane. Other things to note: you can create a schedule for a production job on the Start page as well. Begin by clicking the green plus sign in the area containing connection information for the DiveLine server on which the production script resides. Navigate to the script file and select it, and make all your selections in the Production Job Schedule dialog box. Also note that when your production job runs successfully, a green check mark appears next to the entry for that schedule on the Start page. So that's how you schedule a production job. You navigate to the production script and open the file. Click Add in the Overview pane, specify a name for your schedule, choose the interval at which you want to run the schedule, and then make the selections appropriate for the interval you chose. Select a start date and click OK.
Thanks, Alyssa. Like clockwork as always. If this video was helpful, let us know in the comments and by giving us a thumbs up. If you want more videos like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Take care, see you next time.